Hey everybody. Okay, here, this is the first coat of the second batch. Good, the sun went away, a little better of a picture. Yeah, looking good. Second coat going on about 2 hours or so later. And then we're gonna let them dry more, flip them, do the same thing to the other side. Are they dry to the touch? Yeah. About 2.5 hours, like some Tremclad or Rust-Oleum paint. And I just got some 3-in-1 oil. I'm gonna do some restoration on some bars next. But okay, I'll update you after probably after I put the flip them and put the second coat on, and or maybe just when I'm done. Yeah, but this is pretty much it for this. The plates restorations. I don't have any more left after I'm done these. So, okay, I'll update you later.